Welcome to Suchitra Books, Udyam registration for MSMEs in India. Visit www.suchitrabooks.com. Please like, share and subscribe. Udyam registration for MSMEs in India. Udyam registration is the official MSME registration and replaced the earlier Udyog Aadhar Memorandum, abbreviated as UAM, and Entrepreneur Memorandum 2, abbreviated as EM2 system. This new process of Udyam registration came into effect from 1st July 2020. It is now mandatory for availing all MSME-specific benefits. Point number 1. Udyam registration mandatory checklists. For proprietorship form, Proprietor's Aadhar. For partnership form, Managing Partner's Aadhar. For company or LLP, Director or Authorized Signatory's Aadhar. For Hindu Undivided Family, abbreviated as HUF, Aadhar of Karta. PAN card. Mandatory for all types of entities, except for those eligible under Udyam Assist, that is, for very small micro units. GSTIN. Mandatory if your business is required to be registered under GST law. Bank account. Active bank account number and IFSC code for the business. NIC code. You must select the correct National Industrial Classification code that matches your business activity. Udyam Registration Certificate, abbreviated as URC, step-by-step process. No documents required for upload at the time of registration. Before registration, check your MSME classification category and NIC code, that is, National Industrial Classification Code. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Visit the official portal at https://udyamregistration.gov.in. Click for new registration who are not registered yet as MSME. Step 2. Aadhar verification. Enter Aadhar number and name as per Aadhar. Tick declaration. Step 3. PAN verification. For verification of PAN, first select type of organization, such as proprietor, company, LLP, and so on from the drop-down list. Then enter PAN details including name, date of birth, or date of incorporation. Then click PAN Validate for verification. Step 4. Fill details of the enterprise. Name of enterprise, mobile number, social category, gender, location, bank details, NIC code, that is activity, district industry center, and so on. Step 5. Declaration and submission. Self-declare investment and turnover. System auto-fetches from GST and income tax databases if GSTIN is provided. Certificate issued instantly. Udyam registration benefits. Financial benefits. Collateral-free loans under CGTM SE. Guarantee cover raised to Rs 10 crore from April 1, 2025. Cover is 75% to 90% depending on category. Women, SC, ST, and Northeast units get 90% cover. Annual guarantee fee is 0.37% to 2.04% with 10% to 30% discounts for priority categories. Lower interest rates. Banks and NBFCs offer concessional rates for Udyam MSMEs, often 0.5% to 1.5% below card rate. RBI mandates MSE loans be linked to external benchmark like repo rate. Actual concession is bank-specific. Priority sector lending, abbreviated as PSL. All Udyam MSME loans automatically qualify as PSL under RBI norms. Helps banks meet 40% PSL target, improving credit flow. IP, patent and trademark. 50% reimbursement of official filing fees for patents, trademarks and GI. Trademark fee reduced from Rs 9,000 to Rs 4,500 for Udyam and Startup India units. Udyam registration benefits. Government scheme access. Government tenders. EMD and tender fee exemption for Udyam MSMEs under public procurement policy. 25% procurement reserved for MSEs, of which 4% for SC/ST and 3% for women-owned enterprises. GEM portal benefits. Free onboarding on GEM. Reserved L1 purchase for up to 25% of tender value. Faster payments mandated. MSME Samadhan. access to the MSME Samadhan portal for filing complaints related to delayed payments from buyers. Udyam registration benefits. Tax and statutory benefits. Direct tax exemptions. No automatic exemption. Eligible for scheme-based benefits like Section 10AA for SEZs, Startup Tax Holiday, or state-specific SGST reimbursement. Electricity bill. Section 43BH. Buyer loses tax deduction if MSE payment delayed more than 45 days. Electricity bill concession. State-specific. Many states give electricity duty exemption or tariff rebate for Udyam units. Check state industrial policy. Not uniform across states. ISO and Z certification. Reimbursement up to Rs 10 lakh for Z Gold, Rs 5 lakh for Z Silver, and Rs 2 lakh for Z Bronze. 75% to 80% subsidy on certification costs. Udyam registration benefits. Legal protection. Protection against delayed payments. Section 15 of MSMED Act. Payment within 15 days if no agreement, else maximum 45 days. Delay attracts compound interest at 3 times RBI bank rate at monthly rests. Easy dispute resolution. File online with MSE Facilitation Council, abbreviated as MSEFC, via Samadhan portal. Award must be paid in 90 days. Export benefits. Export promotion. ROTTEP plus DBK allowed together for Udyam exporters. Access to NSIC marketing support, MIA scheme for fares, interest equalization 2% for manufacturer exporters. Barcode registration. 75% reimbursement of one-time registration plus 75% of annual recurring fee for first 3 years via DC MSME. Udyam Assist Certificate, abbreviated as UAC, for informal enterprises. Who can apply? Informal micro-enterprises engaged in small business or service activities that are not yet covered under formal GST or income tax systems. Portal udyamassist.gov.in, which is different from the Udyam registration portal. Documentation: Aadhaar of entrepreneur, mobile number, basic enterprise details. No PAN or GSTIN required. Benefits available: PMMY loans, PM SV Nidhi for street vendors, PM Vishwakarma scheme, insurance schemes, priority sector lending classification. Limitation: UAC is not equivalent to full Udyam registration. Certain benefits available to formally registered MSMEs such as CGT MSE coverage, government procurement benefits, or specific MSME incentives may require full Udyam registration.